Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to revise chapter time. The pages included are 4B from workbook 4B, page number 159, 160 and 165. The topics are the conversion of 24 hours and 12 hours clock system, and then the that measuring time in seconds. So there are two systems to measure time. One is 12-hour clock system, as you can see, and 24-hour clock system. You need to know is there are two cycles in a complete day, first half and the second half. And first half consists of 12 hours, and second half of the day, that means second cycle, also consists of 12 hours. So there are 24 hours in a day. In 12-hour clock system, the numbers that are used to write the hour of the time are from 1 to 12. From 1 to 12 in first cycle, this is the first cycle, and then again from 1 to 12 in the second cycle. And we write AM and PM to differentiate between the first cycle and the second cycle. So in 12-hour clock system we will write AM PM, as you can see here, AM PM, but there is no AM PM in this side, is in 24-hour system, in this 24-hour clock system's time. So here there are numbers from 0 to 23 to write the hours in the 24-hour clock system. So we will not write AM or PM with 24-hour clock system. So the questions will be, time will be given in 12-hour clock system, and you will be asked to convert it into 24-hour clock system or vice versa. So we will learn, we have already done it, but we will now revise that how you can do it. First you need to remember is that the day begins at midnight 12, and the day starts from AM. You will write 12 AM when the day will start 12 AM. In 24-hour clock system, in 12-hour clock system, the day starts from 12 AM, and in 24-hour clock system we will write it as 0000. Okay, then after 1 hour, then when it will be 1 AM, you will write 1 hour will increase in 24-hour clock system as well. You will write 0100 and so on till 11 o'clock, 11 AM, when it's time when you are in school, you will write 11:59 AM in 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system. Again, when there will be next hour, when the next hour will start, there will be, as you can see, 12 PM. This is the time at 12 noon. Still you are in school, 12 PM, and you will write 12 with it. Then after 12 you say 1 PM in 12-hour clock system. See, but in 24-hour clock system, after 12 the hour will be, you will add 113 and so on, 13, 14, 15, 16. But here you can see the cycle has started again. This cycle has started again here. So in the second cycle, that is afternoon, the time that is after the noon time, that is 12 PM, 1, 2, 3 PM and so on till 11:59 PM. See, at night you will write 23:59, and right after it, after 1 minute, it will be 12 AM again, the beginning of this next day, and you will write 0000 for the next day when the new day will start, just like you have seen here. Okay, now how you will convert? Whenever the time will be given in 12-hour clock system or 24-hour clock system, minutes will remain same. You will see, is there any need to change the hour or will it remain same? For example, as you can see in this part, in this part. Hours are same, 1 1 2 1 1 2 2 3 3. These hours are same. So in the first cycle of the day, when AM is written in 12-hour clock system, the hour in 24-hour clock system will remain same. But there is an exception with this part. You can see the part with 12 AM or till 12:59, and the part from with 12 PM till 12:59 PM. These are the two exceptional cases. You will look for them. Whenever it is 12 AM, you should know that this is the time when the day is beginning. 12 AM midnight, you will write 0000 for it. If the time is 12:15, you will write 0015 in 24-hour clock system. And here, if the time is 12 PM, you know it is noon time, you will write 12. When there is 12 PM, you will write 12 for it. When there is 12 AM, you will write 0 for the hour part. Now, in the PM part, in the second cycle of the day, look here, you will, if it is 2, by adding 12 in this 2, it has become 14. So in this part, 12 has been added if the time is given in 12-hour system, and if the time is given in 24-hour system, 12 has been subtracted to reach to this part. For example, see this one, 20 minus 12 is 8. So if you are going from 12 to 24, see, if you are going from 12 to 24, 12 is a smaller number, 24 is a greater number, you need to add 12. But if you are going from 24 to 12, you need to subtract 12. Okay, moving on to the page 159. See, 3 things you have to keep in your mind for this page. These. When the time is given in 12-hour clock system and you have to convert it into 24-hour clock system, what you have to do is, first look, the numbers that have been used in 12-hour clock system are from 1 to 12, and AM and PM is written in 12-hour clock system but not in 24-hour clock system. So now look here, when AM is there, when AM is written with the time in 12-hour clock system, the time will remain same and we will remove AM in 24-hour clock system. When the PM is written, you will add 12. When PM is written in this 12-hour clock system, you will add 12 in the hour part, and you will remove AM and PM, because there is no PM into AM or PM in 24-hour clock system. There are numbers to differentiate between the cycles. So here the numbers are same in 12-hour clock system, so we write AM or PM with them. Now see, here by considering these 3 rules, look here, here AM was written, so the time will remain same. It was 7:50. It was 7:50, we have written 07:50, because in 24-hour clock system, this is the format of writing time. We have to fill 2 digits for hours and 2 for minutes. But in 12-hour clock system, there is no such need. Okay, now PM is written here, as you can see. So what we are going to do, we will add 12 in this 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. So the time will be 15, and this 15 will remain same. Minutes will not change. Now we have to look if there is 12 AM or PM, because these were the exceptional cases. We have seen that in the previous picture. Yes. So when the time is 12 AM, see, AM, and here the time is PM. When the time is in 12-hour clock system, it is AM. The day has just started. You will write 00 to 20. The time will be in 24-hour clock system will be 0:20. You will put 2 zeros. You will write 2 zeros. But here it is PM. It is the time for noon. So what you are going to do, the 12 will remain 12, 12, 50, and you can do rest of these parts yourself. Okay, moving to the next page. Now we have to convert 24-hour clock system into 12-hour clock system. You know, in 24-hour clock system, the hour range is from 0 to 23, and we do not write any AM or PM with it. In 12-hour clock system, we do write AM and PM. 4 rules for it, just like we did before. If hour is 00, you will write 12 AM for it, because 00 means the time, the day has just started, and in 12-hour clock system, day starts from 12 AM. If the hour is 12, it means it is indicating noon time. Noon time is 12 PM when you are in school, 12 PM. Okay. The other, if 1 to 11, if the hour is from 1 to 11, for example, it is between 8 is between 1 to 11, so the time will remain same and we will write AM with it. See, here I have written, if the time is from, hour is from 1 to 11, the time will remain same with AM. Okay, so we have written 8, 10, time has remained same, 8, 10, and we have written AM here. See? Okay, now if the time is, the hour is between 13 to 23, we will subtract 12, and I have forgotten to write here, and we will write PM with it. 12, just like I have written AM here, we will write, we will subtract 12 and we will write PM with the time. For example, consider this one, 20:45. Minutes will always, these minutes will always remain same. We will subtract 12 from this 20. It will become 8, 2 dots, or you can only use 1 dot, or you can use colons, whatever you like. Then 45, and we will write PM with it. Like this. Okay, rest you can do yourself. Be careful whenever 0 is here or 12 is here. These are the rules for it. You can do it yourself. Okay, moving on to the next page, that is 165. Okay, you just have to write how many seconds have been passed. You will count where the second hand is. The second hand is here. So these are 1, see, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. The second hand is here, and from here to here 1 second has passed, then 2 seconds, then 3, then 4. You can skip these 4 seconds and we will add them later. First we will jump 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Where is the needle? Till 11. Yes, 35 seconds till 11. As you can see this needle, this clock, the needle was at 16th second, and now it has reached 55 seconds till here. So we will count the seconds, how many seconds it has moved, and we will write them here. How you can do is 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and these 4. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So you will write here 39 seconds have been passed. Here the needle hand, second hand is at 9, and here it is on 5. So you will count the seconds from 9 to 5. Here from 1 to 10, and you will write the seconds that have been passed in the boxes. That's it.